Good day, I am from Globalize Agency here in Malaysia and I am the Philippine recruiter. I receive verify data from Bright Star Agency in the Philippines. Am I right?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you speak English or can you understand English?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you a 100% willing to come and work here in Malaysia?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you have any friends or any family members working here?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so are you healthy or do you have any health issues in your body?
I am healthy, ma'am, but and I have no other issues about my.
It's okay if you feel unwell but you're staying in the Philippines so that you won't give us problem at the same time, yeah?
Yes, ma'am.
Our interview, this is recorded and it will be uploaded in our YouTube channel, but at the same time, your profile will be uploaded in our website. Do you agree?
Yes, ma'am.
Is this your first time working abroad?
Yes, ma'am.
What comes into your mind that you wanted to work as a domestic helper?
Because I want a better future for my family po, ma'am, and for myself.
Okay. So, can you help me introduce yourself, please?
Yes, ma'am. I am Lauren Penalba Omen. I am 24 years old. I have one son. He's turning 2 years old this December. I have a partner, but not totally married, ma'am.
Okay. So, I need to know some few more details from you first, okay? When is your birthday?
August 6, 2001, ma'am.
What is your height and your weight?
My weight is 65 kilograms and my height is 5 feet and 5 inches.
Okay. What is your religion?
Roman Catholic, ma'am.
What about your educational background?
I graduated as K-12 vocational course in housekeeping.
Okay, so this is your first time working abroad and you have one son which is 3 years old, right? And you also have your live-in partner. So is
Yes,
your
ma'am.
live-in partner allowed you to come and work here in Malaysia?
Yes, ma'am.
How old is your live-in partner and what is his occupation?
He's turning 29 years old this September, ma'am, and his work is construction worker.
Did he allow you to come and work here in Malaysia?
Yes, ma'am.
Who will going to take care of your kid later once you come to work here?
My mother-in-law, ma'am,
How old is your
and
mother? Okay.
father.
Okay, and your father. Okay, how old is your mother-in-law and what is her occupation?
He's a she's a housewife, ma'am, and she was 48 years old.
Okay. How many brother and sister do you have?
I have two brothers and three sisters.
What is your rank in your family?
I'm the number five in the family.
Okay, so according to your profile, it was stated that you have a 2 years contract way back 2021 to 2023 in Bacolod, and you finish your contract, right?
Yes, ma'am.
You do the house chores, cooking, laundry, and ironing, is it?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you take care of any children inside the house?
No, ma'am.
Okay, so after 2023 and until recently, do you have any working experience or you are a full-time mother?
Full-time mother, ma'am.
Okay, working as a domestic helper is not that so easy. It is a quite job. It is a very very tough job. You know,
Yes, ma'am.
you need to be flexible. You need to be multitasking. Are you ready for any task that the employer will be given to you?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you take your children or baby while doing house chores at the same time?
Yes.
Can you take care elderly people?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you cook?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you caregiving for bedridden patient and disabled person?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you comfortable taking care of pets?
No, ma'am.
So you are scared with pets?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, it's fine. So you will going to sign a 2 years contract. No one force you to come into work here, okay? Any
Yes,
uncertain situations that might happen to your family back in the Philippines, please be remind yourself that you cannot easily go back home.
yes,
Terminating or
ma'am.
breaching of contract, you know that there will be a consequences, which is you need to pay your employer, and at the same time, the agency, as nobody force you to come and work here in Malaysia, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Before I add it, do you have any family members working here?
No, ma'am.
You don't have any family members or friends?
I have a friend, ma'am.
Okay, but
The other,
remind yourself that you come here to work and not to meet up with your friends, okay?
yes, ma'am.
Okay, usage of mobile handphone. You cannot hold your phone for 24 hours, but instead you can hold your phone during nighttime only after you finish your job for the whole day, and you will render your phone on the next morning before you start your work. Of course, you are entitled to have a rest once a week, but you are not allowed to go out on your rest day. You will going to stay only inside the employer's house, and if you will work, employer will going to compensate your salary. Are you okay with the rules and regulations?
Yes, ma'am.
As I have mentioned many times, we don't force people to come here. It's either you agree or you disagree. If you agree, it's fine. You can come, work properly, don't give us problem. But if you disagree, better stay in the Philippines or find job
Ma'am, excuse me,
opportunities into
hindi,
other
wala ka pong
countries.
boss.
As I have mentioned just a while ago, we don't force people to come here, okay? Always remind yourself why you wanted to come and work abroad, because you wanted to sustain your family's needs and you wanted to give a better future for your son, okay? In Philippines,
Yes, ma'am.
you can do whatever you want, but here in Malaysia, no such a thing. We need to follow the rules and regulations of the employer, and we need to respect the culture of the employer at the same time. Any problems, any concerns, inform your employer, because you will be the one working inside their premises for 2 years, yeah?
Yes, ma'am.
Normally, how do you fight your homesickness knowing that this is your first time working abroad?
Ma'am?
How will you gonna handle your homesickness?
Mama, I bring my strength, prayers always to the Lord, ma'am, that no matter what homesickness I encounter, He will give me strength and care, ma'am, as always, ma'am. That's all, ma'am.
Okay, so I think that's all for now, Lorraine. It was my pleasure meeting you. But please stay connected through WhatsApp, because Globalize agents will going to contact you to conduct an interview together with the employer, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you so much and have a good day. Bye.